this video, I'll show you how to create links in Google Docs. So in order to create links like what you see on the screen here, there's basically two methods to do this. The first method is just to head over to the website of the link that you want to create, and then we're going to right click at the top of this page and copy the URL. You can then head back over to your Google document and paste the link in like this. And in order to convert this into a link, we just need to hit the enter key, and as you can see, that's going to convert it to this link. We can now click this and it will take us over to the website. Now, something you can actually do here as well is click on this link and select replace URL with its title, press yes, and that will replace the link with the website name like this. If you want to create your own custom links with your own custom text, you can do that as well by moving the mouse cursor to where we want to place the link, clicking on the link button in the navigation, selecting the text that you want to use for your link. So for example, you may type in click here, and then just typing in the address bar of where you want this link to send people. So for this example, I'll just type in google.com and press apply. And as you can see, this is now a clickable link that will take people over to the Google page. And that's it, guys. That's how you create links in Google Docs. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.